Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create ink splatter effect in Adobe Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, create a new document. So go to File and hit on New. Here select 1920 by 1080 pixels custom document. And press Create. Cool. Now the time to create a background. Go to Adjustments, and select Gradient. Make sure our foreground and background colors should be black and white. Go to Style option, and choose Radial. Enable the Reverse option. Increase the scale value to 500. And press OK. Perfect. Now take a new layer by hit Shift Ctrl N. Rename it as Brushes. And press OK. Take the brush tool. Go to Brush Settings. Here choose Load Brushes. Select this ink splatter brushes. You can also download these brushes folder from the link in description. And press Load. Perfect. These are the loaded brushes. Here I select this brush and increase the brush size by holding right bracket. Now fill it on the brushes layer. Perfect. Now go to Image folder. Select this image and grab to Photoshop. Cool. Increase the image size by holding Shift and Alt buttons. And press Enter. Now right-click on top image layer. Here choose Create Clipping Mask. Perfect. Now adjust the image by Move tool. Here I want to use other brushes also. So select this brushes layer. And also select Brush tool. Now choose other ink splatter brushes. And brushing on this layer like this. Cool. Use Eraser tool to erase unwanted marks. And adjust the image to view as perfect. We can also save it as PNG format. But before, we hide these background layers by hit on this icons. Then save it as PNG format. We can also create different photo slideshows from these images. Perfect. Finally, thank you and need your support.